I would love to know who is the guitar player? Oh, what? Didn't know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo lor, kembali lagi di channel Hakim Ahmad. Bagaimana kabar Anda semua? Saya selalu doakan semoga Anda semua baik-baik saja. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke, seperti biasa di video kali ini kita akan melihat reaksi dari para musisi atau reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Dimas Senopati lor. Ya, dan seperti biasa saya akan meletakkan link video originalnya di kolom deskripsi. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama mari kita langsung saja gas ke videonya.
So, hello everybody, welcome to a new reaction video. In this video I'm going to be reacting to another cover by Dimas Senopati. This time, the cover he did to Beat It by Michael Jackson.
What is up YouTube? What is up family? We got some Michael Jackson? Beat It. Just Beat It. No, it's not Michael Jackson. It's Dimas Senopati. He's gonna sing and do Beat It.
So, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Wow. What? He's trying to...
in their eyes and the words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna beat the better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Showing how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it.
It was just the guitar in his voice, but it was perfect. Honestly, so good. I really enjoyed it.
The outer kid, you better live while you can. Don't wanna be a boy, you wanna be a man. You wanna stay alive, better do what you can. So beat it, just beat it. You have to show them that you're really not scared. You're playing with your life, this ain't a truth or dare. They'll kick you and they'll beat you and they'll tell you it's fair. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Showing how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Showing how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it, beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it.
This is amazing. This really is amazing. This guy, I knew it. I knew he had the right voice. I knew he had the right voice to do Beat It. I mean, this is this is bringing back memories. I'm not gonna lie, but he's doing a great job with this freaking Beat It song, man. My goodness, who's his friend here, man? His friend could play.
would love to know who is the guitar. Oh, how is it said in English? Guitar player? Oh, what? Didn't know. Guitarist.
Yeah.
Just beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Showing how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Showing how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Showing how funky strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it.
Killed it.
Just beat it.
So cool! Honestly, so good. Really good. Honestly, love it. It was just the guitar in his voice, but it was perfect.
Killed that. My God. Wow. That was good, man. That was really good. No joke. That was good. That was man tap. That was mon tap. That was any kind of tap you wanna pronounce it. Any tap. That was a tap. That was Kopi Mana. No, I didn't see no Kopi Mana Kopi, but it was mon tap. Yes, it was. This guy's amazing.
Oke, itulah reaksi dari para reaktor atau musisi luar negeri yang mereaksi Dimas Senopati Lur. Ya, semoga bisa memberikan hiburan dan manfaat untuk Anda semua Lur. Dan saya akhiri, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.